Void House by PK_INCEPTON in Nashik, India. Void House is a farmhouse located within a cluster of farmlands, providing an ideal setting for farming and a peaceful retreat from urban life. The client's main desire was to have ample land for farming while also having a weekend house for their family. To achieve this, the farmhouse was strategically positioned in a diagonally opposite corner from the crossing of roads, allowing for maximum farming space and creating a larger foreground with greater distance from neighboring farmhouses. To create a tranquil journey away from the chaos of urban life, an elaborate walkway was planned. Instead of leading visitors directly into the building, the walkway terminates in an open courtyard, emphasizing a connection with nature. This courtyard serves as the first pause and provides an orientation towards the farmland. The built structure is positioned between the courtyard and the farmland, with a series of parallel walls supporting the roof. These walls not only create interesting spillover spaces and open verandas but also divide the plot into two open areas. They act as buffers while connecting the courtyard and the farmland. The floating roof design generates a captivating mix of covered and semi-covered spaces. The covered areas serve as habitable spaces that flow seamlessly into the farms through expansive verandas. The grid pattern of the parallel walls incorporates smaller service spaces and larger served spaces. The northern side of the building opens into the internal courtyard, providing private sleeping areas. On the other hand, walls extending towards the longitudinal side open into the farmland, creating a common family area encompassing the living, kitchen, and dining spaces. Strategically raised walls enhance the spatial organization of open and closed spaces while ensuring privacy. The staircase block, positioned between the parallel walls, offers a picturesque backdrop for users to enjoy the farm vista. It also creates a distinctive journey from the entrance towards the void, separating the entrance path from the family spaces that open up into the farm. The staircase block captures the sky during the ascent, providing a unique experience. This spatial arrangement fosters a sense of breathing space and seclusion from the neighboring farmhouses. The high walls surrounding the courtyard create a private open space for the family to cherish and celebrate life. The design allows the family to fully embrace the outdoors while preserving privacy. A narrow service bay integrates facilities such as toilets, staircases, and a pantry. Deep verandas are strategically incorporated, expanding the habitable spaces towards the end of the courtyard. The dining area seamlessly connects to both the courtyard and the farm, providing the freedom to dine indoors or outdoors. The central concept revolves around a void, a sanctuary of open sky, where privacy intertwines with nature's embrace. Here, one can slumber beneath the celestial expanse, finding solace on the outskirts while feeling secure. This void, an ethereal realm, breathes life into the built, entwining it with shaded spaces.